Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Snapchat account private. Alright, start by opening up the app. Now, once you're in here, go to the top left and tap on your Bitmoji. Tap on it. Now, in here, go to the right side and tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. Now, in here, just scroll down a bit until you find the privacy control section. Okay? In here, tap on first, contact me. Okay? Make sure that is set to friends only. Hit on OK so that only your friends can contact you or contact you directly with snaps, chats, and etc. It says here. Now go back, tap on view my story, set this one to friends only. Okay, you can go ahead and tap on custom to block specific people from seeing your story. Now go back again. In here, tap on map. Make sure to untick both of these tick boxes. It says use places I've tagged in my story post to favorited to recommend places to friends. Turn that off. Allow my username to appear when posting to the Snap map. Turn that off as well. Okay. Now go back. In here, tap on see me and find friends. Tap on it. Make sure that it is turned off. If this one is turned on, as it states here, you might appear in another Snapchatters Find Friends if you share mutual friends or another connection. Okay, again, turn this off to prevent people from finding your account through mutual friends. Now go back. In here, let's go ahead and tap on Activity Indicator. Make sure that it is turned off as well. As it says here, when enabled, others can see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. Turn that off. Now go back. Tap on comment settings. Make sure that you manually approve all comments from your post. Okay, go back. Tap on see my location. Make sure that this one is set to ghost mode. Okay, it says here when enabled, your friends can't see your location. And that is it. That is how you can make your Snapchat account private. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and upload a private story. Now to do that, go to your Bitmoji again at the top left. In here in your account, you can go ahead and scroll down, and under stories, you have the new private story option. Just tap on it. Now in this section, you can go ahead and choose who can view your private story. Only you will be able to add to this story and invite friends. Say, for example, you only want your story to be viewed by this person or this person right here. Just select them, and once done, hit on create story. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.